Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. First day as a second engineer on ship. So guys, my experiences have always been very unique. So the day I joined, I handled, the incoming second year handed over me within 3 to 4 hours and he left. I was very happy when I was joining ship because my salary had increased from 4,500 to 6,500, $6,800 per month. मुझे एग्जैक्ट याद नहीं है. Now people sometimes get terrified, yaar second year ban raha hu, what will I do? How will I manage? I never had that worry. I knew I will manage. If I will not manage, somebody else will manage. But salary is increasing, money is coming, that is very important. That is very, very important for me. Growth is very important. So anyways, guys, ship ke upar gaye, second year signed off and that is the time I met Bada Saab. I do not remember his name and I do not want to name him as well. So he told me, hey, last second year would have been sacked from ship. It was a third engineer standing in front. He saved him because he was very good at his work. And third year Saab, he was like this. A young guy, similar to my age. Definitely chief year telling his friend second year ki third year ne jhaaz sambhala hua tha. So now you imagine you join ship for the first time as second engineer and your chief engineer does not trust you because he has had one bad experience and now suddenly you join ship and this is the thing that has happened. So my first day as a chief engineer, I am down at 7:45 am, 8 am toolbox meeting is there. All the oilers, engineers, fitter, everybody standing. And exactly and now this is my first day, I really do not know what to do, what not to do because it will take some time to manage things, kya chal raha hai, kya chal raha hai. First of all, new ship and then first time a second engineer. My first toolbox meeting to my team in my life. And suddenly at exact 8 am, the phone rings. I pick up. Hello, second engineer, ECR. Hello, second sir. This is Bada Saab speaking. Yes. Second sir, please give the phone to third engineer. Okay sir. Third engineer phone किया किसको? Third engineer को. Now third engineer. Hello sir. Okay sir. Okay sir. Okay sir. Okay sir. Okay sir. ठीक है sir. I'll get it done. Now third in front of me. फिटर जी, बड़ा साहब ने बोला आपको ये करना है. ऑयलर आपको ये करना है, आपको ये करना है, आपको ये करना है. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. I was standing like this. Now this video is on first day second engineer. So it was very, very embarrassing for me. But I'll talk little further. The same thing happened the second day. And the same thing happened the third day. When the same thing happened the third day, I could not contain myself. I went to chief engineer's cabin and knocked. He was inside. I simply asked him, मैंने कहा बड़ा साहब, what is your problem with me? कहता है nothing. How are you talking to me? मैंने बड़ा साहब, I just want to know what is your problem with me. मैंने बोला it's been the third day. I could understand the first day. It's been the third day. Whatever you have to tell, you are telling third engineer in the whole toolbox meeting. What am I here for? If you do not like me, if you do not like my work, send me home. I cannot handle this embarrassment. But at least let me showcase you my work. If you have not seen my work, you are judging me because of the old second engineer and you are telling me this is not going to work. Arey, how can you say this to me, the chief engineer? No, I trust you. Well, then from tomorrow onwards, if you want to call me, you call me today evening itself, you tell me what all you want, but I will be handling the toolbox meeting. Fine, done. Now, trust does not just come with a toolbox meeting. Trust comes with solving problems. Now, I have always been blessed, as I told you. So, since my first ship as fourth year, I have been making notes. Rather, my first ship as junior agent itself, I have been making notes. So, I just came to know now because I was just going through the old mails. I just saw another mail coming that why this problem has not been solved, and this problem was with main engine fuel valve testing machine. Those who do not know, main engine fuel valve testing machine. That the fuel valves on board ship were not being tested. It's a long going problem happening on board ship for the last 6 to 7 months. Think. These people have worked a lot on the fuel valve testing machine. They have overhauled the full pump and still the problem has not sorted. I just saw that. Now this is where luck comes into play or hard work comes into play. On my last ship, I had faced that very similar problem. And I had made those proper notes. Now my thing was, whenever I faced some problem, I never just wrote the solution to that problem. I used to study that whole system and read and then make notes on that. So the fuel water testing machine was same. I just went through my notes. I saw, yeah, this problem is, okay, it was not very similar, but very similar to that. Now because I had understood the system on my last ship, I knew what to do. I solved that problem, and if those who are technical, they will understand that in a main engine fuel water testing machine, these are those spring tightening nuts, right? So these spring tightening nuts have a certain torque and you have to tighten to that same level. If you do not do that, then the fuel wall is not certainly compressed, and it keeps leaking from the vent side. Now those who are not technical, they will not understand, but this was the problem. So those spring nuts were completely gone, they were damaged. So this fuel wall is not completely pressed and it was leaking from the vent side, and that is why it was not developing pressure. I told them, okay, get the new nuts, applied the pressure, and the fuel wall testing machine started working. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Chief engineer came run down. किसने solve किया? Now fitter was standing, third was standing, oil was standing. बोला सर second हमने solve किया. बस. उसके बाद one another problem, another problem, and 3-4 problems sorted. Now my chief here completely relied on me. So times change if you have knowledge. Troubleshooting is the most important thing on ship if you want to earn respect on ship, along with good attitude. So this was not just my first day on ship, it is about my first experience as second year on board ship. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Just 3 things. I hope you like this video. If you are giving your second engineer exams, go to the link down below. See if we have launched, Merchant Navy Decoded has launched their MEO Class 2 Excellence package. Like MEO Class 4 and MEO Class 1 is already there. So these packages have got all the content that you have to study. These keep getting updated so that you clear your exams faster. If you want to check whether you are eligible for MEO Class 2, MEO Class 4, MEO Class 1, go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, go to calculators, go to eligibility calculator for MEO Class 4 exams, check your eligibility status. Last but not the least, if you want to know everything about MEO Class 2 exams, if you want to know everything about the tips, tricks, कौन से एग्जाम्स होते हैं, which MMD is better, how to give assessment, what all checklist is needed, what all preparatory course need to do, how much is the cost, then go to this course. The link is in description box as in the pinned comment section. Watch this video, these videos, this course section. It will give you all the information that you need, and remember, a good information is like a key which can open the lock of success. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.